kukui, yeah. O lili'u o kalani, o ka maka e hanani, e kupa'a e nā puali, yeah. E o e lili'u, te ali'i o Hawaii. Mahalo ia 'oe e lili'u, mai nā pua o Kauai, mai nā pua o Kauai. E kuli ke kākou, oni pa'a ka lahui. The first verse says, Nana iluna, ine ia lanini, to this vast sky, the heavens, to the kupuna, our ancestors, the kukui, or the enlightenment, e kupa'a in Apuali, pretty much just stand firm, stand strong, to all the warriors, the next generation is who we're talking about. And the chorus, which says, Eo e lili'u, she's our last ali'i, our last reigning ali'i. And pretty much just saying thank you. Mahalo ia 'oe e lili'u. Thank you lili'u, mai na pua o Kauai, from the children of Kauai, the next generation, the blossoms of this pai'aina, of this honui. So whether it's music, food, technology, or just politics even, without our past, there would be no present, and there would be no future. Everything that we are today is because of our ancestors and what they have taught us before.